Hello people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my YouTube channel, you are in the right place. So today I'll be sharing with you an amazing mouth-watering recipe. But before I go into my recipe for today, please, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please click the subscribe button and also turn on your notification bell so you get notified anytime I post a new video. To my returning subscribers, thank you once again for coming in to today's episode. So today's recipe is called chicken veggies sauce. Stay tuned to the end of the video because I'll be showing you a step-by-step process on how to make this mouth-watering recipe. I'll be pairing this with fried plantain. First thing I'll be doing is I'll light up my gas. I have the oil already in the pot, in the pan, and I'll just wait to cook about 5 minutes and I'll start frying my plantain. Enough of the plenty talk, so I'll fry my plantain now. My oil is heated up and I'll fry my plantain for about 5 to 10 minutes. I usually do not like my plantain very brown, so I'll be making my plantain light brown. And so for me, I don't add salt to my plantain because it's ripe and it tastes good without salt. But feel free to add in salt to your plantain if that's your choice of cooking. So I'll leave this now to fry. I have about 3 different batches I'll be frying because I'll be cooking for 3 persons. My plantain has been cooking for about 3 minutes. I'll flip the plantain to the other side so it gets fried well. Plantain is ready. I'll take out my plantain from the oil. I usually like to wrap my bowl in paper towel so as to drain out the excess oil from the plantain. I'll do this continuously for the 3 batches I have to fry. Please stay tuned to the end of the video. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, share and comment on my videos. As a Nigerian girl concerned, I had to test my plantain while I was frying. I couldn't resist the urge of testing it. It tastes so great. It's so yummy. At this point, I was done frying. I allowed the oil to cool down a bit and I took out some parts of the oil. I'll be using the same pot to prepare my chicken veggie sauce. I added my onion, which I already diced off camera. I'll leave this for about 1 minute to cook a bit. Then I add in my chopped tomatoes and stir a little. Allow this also to cook for a minute while I add in a little pepper. I already blended my pepper previously. Add in a little pepper. So my pepper makes a for not equally minutes. I'll sprinkle the 2 dry pepper to it. So at this point, I had to lower my lights a little. I'll add in some seasoning. The salt. I'll add in a little curry powder. Together. Now test for salt. I like it already. It is so yummy. I have my diced green pepper. I'll add that to it. I also have my diced yellow pepper. I'll allow this to cook for a few minutes. My sauce is looking all colorful, and I can tell you it's also very tasty. The aroma from my kitchen is amazing. So while that is cooking, I'll add in my diced carrots also. I diced my veggies off camera before I started cooking. Add in a little of my spring onions, so add the rest later. Oh my god, this looks so beautiful. Because I don't want it to be too soft, I'll go ahead and add in my cabbage. I already diced this also off camera. I'll add in cabbage and stir everything together. It's really nice. Now I'll allow this to stir fry it for a little, for about 1 minute. Okay, so this I've been cooking for 1 minute. Right now I'll add in my diced chicken. Just allow to cook for minutes. I'll add in a little sausage. So yummy and tasty. I'll cover this up and allow it to cook for a minute again. Wow, it looks so beautiful. So I'll add in the last part, the remaining spring onions. I like to have that onion taste feeling at the end of my cooking. My chicken veggie sauce is ready. Remember I mentioned that I'll be pairing it with plantain. The taste from this is so good. It's ready to be served. Wow. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and comment, and also tell me what you like to see me post frequently. So I'll turn off the gas and I'll serve this right away. So I've served my plantain. Wow. It's so good. It's so good. It's so good. I'm done cooking this beautiful plantain and chicken veggie sauce. I'm about to have a taste of what I prepared. And this is so good. So good.
Judging from my expression, you could tell that the meal tastes so good. Thank you guys for staying to the end of the video. I hope you found my video educating. Please remember to click on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I post a video. Thank you guys. See you in my next video. Bye.